let me show the testing operation of EB500 shortwave power amplifier with the SD2933 MOSFETs and the touch screen. The LPF bands can be changed manually by a fingertip, but the best solution is to use external automatic band decoder, and the amplifier must be set in auto mode. Single voltage power supply is needed, 53 volts. We are using a flat pack 2. This is a 50 ohms dummy, a 25 ohms dummy load. A reference power meter is BIRD 43 with element for 2500 watts on shortwave bands, which means 2.5 kilowatt full scale. I will drive it with the IC transceiver. The LPF is being controlled by LPF switching, is being controlled by automatic band decoder. The power is set to 33 watts, but the amplifier is connected to output of transceiver through 6 decibel attenuator to prevent the huge ALC spike of output power. Well, internal power meter is calibrated according to BIRD on 20 meters, 500 watts, same as here. But I will set the power to 36 watts from a transceiver, which means 9 watts will be driving the amplifier. Well, let me start from 160 meters to show how it works. Meters, slightly less. Okay, then CW manipulation. This is B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let me return to packet mode in the central frequency of shortwave bands, 20 meters, and I will switch to 25 ohms dummy load. If I try to transmit, highest WR protection along with the high current protection were engaged, were enabled. To reset it, I have to switch off the amplifier for 5 to 10 seconds. Meanwhile, I will decrease the driving power 2 times down to half of power. As you see, the amplifier is capable to operate with SWR as high as 2 to 1 due to our diode's nonlinearity square law. But if I increase the high SWR protection will be active again. Well, switch off, return the 50 ohms dummy and our 36 watts. Okay, it works. If I occasionally overdrive the amplifier, for example 44 means 11 watts on input, high current protection is enabled. Switch off, go to another band, say for 40 meters with the same 11 watts on input. High power protection is enabled again. Well, let me return to 36, but 40 watts, which means 10 watts on input, will be okay as well. I will show. The power becomes close to 600 watts. Okay, I think that's enough for this.